State Senator Brian Boquist appeared before the Senate Committee on Conduct this morning. He made a short statement but took no questions. The Conduct Committee was meeting in response, in part, to Senator Boquist's June 19th statement on the Senate floor.
If you don't think these boots are for walking, you're flat wrong, Mr. President. And you send the state police to get me, hell's coming to visit you personally.
Now, Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch has been sitting in on the hearing all morning and joins us now from the state capitol. Marilyn?
Good afternoon. This hearing came about because of reports that some of the employees who work here at the state capitol found Senator Boquist's statements threatening. As we're talking about not only the statements that he made on the Senate floor, but also one in an interview. The senator made those statements on June 19th, right before the Republican walkout over the issue of the climate change bill, which was to go before a vote before the Senate. The Republicans denied the quorum the Democrats needed to vote on the controversial bill, and the bill did indeed die in the Senate. But that was almost overshadowed by Boquist's fiery comments that some found threatening. Senator Boquist's statements came after Governor Brown said she would send state troopers to find Republicans and bring them back to the Senate floor to vote. One statement was made on the Senate floor and directed at Senator Courtney. Senator Boquist did later apologize. The second was directed at the state police. Senator Boquist said, quote, "Send bachelors and come heavily armed. I am not going to be a political prisoner in the state of Oregon," end quote. And while the senator from Dallas did testify today, he actually did testify briefly, he talked mainly about two lawsuits he filed against fellow senators. He called today's hearing political.
Lastly, per the public record, for a long time, the Oregon State Police Superintendent, Marion County District Attorney, other district attorneys, federal authorities, and other legal authorities know full well I have offered full cooperation in any legal, probable cause law enforcement action, any judge-ordered action, in any civil matter. I look forward to seeing this matter in the court. Thank you. Gentlemen, have a good day.
Senator Boquist left immediately and did not answer any questions. His wife told me that she believed this hearing is retribution by the Senate leadership. The hearing was packed with many of the senator's supporters who feel his statements were not at all threatening. Democratic Senators James Manning and Floyd Prozanski, though, did go on record saying they felt the comments were indeed a threat. The committee's task today, though, was not to decide the merits of the threats, but to consider if it needs to do anything while this case is being investigated to ensure that the state capitol is a safe place to work without fear or intimidation. There were two Republicans on the committee, however, said while they thought that Senator Boquist's comments were heated, they did not believe they rose to credible threats. And the chair of the committee, Floyd Prozanski, says he thinks Boquist's comments were credible. He actually hoped that the senator could voluntarily not come back to the state capitol while this is being investigated, but they are still going back and forth considering some motions which might or might not put some restrictions on Senator Boquist's work here at the state capitol. In the meantime, no matter what they decide today, this matter does not end here. There still has to be a full investigation. Live at the state capitol, Marilyn Deutsch, Fox 12 Oregon.